Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be removing the camshaft. So this is from my transporter VW. It's the T4 2001 2.5 TDI ACV engine. So today just want to get the camshaft off, get the lifters out, give it a quick clean down, and then I'm just going to have a look to see if the valves are seated okay. So mainly in this episode, just going to look at removing the cam itself, because I went to have a look to see how people are doing it, the ordnance and the sequence of taking it off, and I've actually, there's no decent videos, and not only that, everyone seems to be doing it different ways. I've been on forums and had to read people saying start at the start at this end and work your way across, and that's on the forum. In the Haynes manual it says to do 2, then 4, 1, then 3. In the Bentley manual someone said it's 1, 3, 2, 4. So I'm just going to go by the Haynes manual, and if it goes wrong I'll sue them. There's a joke. Right, so it says to do 2, then 4, 1 and 3 diagonally and alternatively. So when we done the head, we went dirt, 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 dirt. Yeah. So it's diagonal, and I don't know if I go half here, or do I do half here, half here, half here, half here. 13mm windbreaker bar. Let's get them cracked and go from there. And I think the torque on them is only 20, so they shouldn't be that hard. No, but they're so half a turn it says, but I'm going to do about quarter. So there's about quarter there. So that's probably about a quarter there, I reckon. And then 4. Quarter there. Quarter there. Quarter there. Quarter there. Right, well that was long. Yeah. Okay, right. So you can see they're all nice and slack. The old slack Alice. See, they're all nice and slack now. I don't want to play around with them too much. So I'm going to remove them and get the camshaft off. There you go, bit of gentle persuasion. Yeah, we'll keep them ones on there for now so I can measure them up and make sure that the right ones go on. I'll show you what I'm doing because you probably can't see it at the moment. Oh, my hands are all minging. So I just got a bit of wood there, don't want that in there. Right, so we've got an oily rag. Just going to wrap the camshaft in it. Just to keep it protected. Especially from all the elements, a nice oily rag. Because you don't want that getting damaged, going rusty, getting any moisture on it. So there we go. That'll do for now. Well, did you hear that? And 4. Is that 4 exhaust and 2 intake? Is it? I think it's intake. Oh, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if that's the intake or what. Right. I'm confused now the cam's off. I'm confused. Right, anyway, I'm just going to stand to clean that. Right. I'll keep everything in order. Just going to put everything on so I don't lose anything for now. Until I get some little small food bags. And then everything can go into food bags. But everything will get a good clean before it all goes back together. What I'll do is I'll completely clear the whole area out around here. I'll get rid of my little heater and that. And then that way I can... Oh, what am I doing? Getting carried away. Talking. Yeah, and then give everything a good blow down. Make sure the area, workplace is nice and clean. So there's no contaminants when we put it all back together. And then once I've got this on, I'll take those hydraulic tappets out. I'm working from left to right. Cylinder 1 being on the left, cylinder 5 being on the right. And I'm making sure everything, even the nuts, go onto the same ones that came off. But yeah, this will all get cleaned properly. Don't worry, I won't make you watch it all. Do for now. Right. I'm just going to get the tray sorted actually. I'll come back to you in a minute because I'm going to take these out and make sure that they all go, so that they all go back into the same one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 10. So I'm going to go get a tray that I can put them in, so I can put them in order. Right, I'll be back in a second. Right, I've gone ahead and numbered them. Just put a bit of the reflection, it's hard to see, isn't it? There you go, I've numbered them. Yep, underlining the 6 and the 9. Don't want to get them confused. Only because I was hoping to have like a thin and long tray, but it's been used for something else. So I've just pinched one of the kids' toy boxes. One of their craft bead things. Oh well, that's why I put that material in there to try and protect it, just so I can put it back afterwards and they won't know. Fingers crossed. Right, so let's get all these out now. And there we go. Yeah, they're going straight in. Lovely. Right, so they're all in there, all lovely and safe. The camshaft is there. Before I go ahead and remove these valves, well, the valves on 2 and 4, because that's where we got some problems, 2 and 4, but compression may have been low in 4 because of the firing order, because I'm pretty sure it goes 1, 2, 4, 5, 3, I think. Gosh, I can't remember now off the top of my head, but I think it's definitely 2, then 4. So because there's no compression in cylinder 2, maybe that's having an effect as to why cylinder 4 isn't full compression. Yeah, well, I'm going to get everything cleaned, and then we'll turn the head over, clean everything up underneath, and I'll show you this little wicked trick that I'm going to do to try and test the valves. But testing the valves, that will be for next time. It's already dragging it out, this video. I only wanted to show you guys me taking the camshaft off and the hydraulic lifters out, hydraulic tappets, whatever you want to call them. So that's all out. Happy days. That's the result. Yeah, so next time, join me when I test the valves and we'll have a look to see if any of the valves are leaking. And then we'll go from there. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Stay safe. God bless.